Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. On this video, I'll show you how to read a ruler or measuring tape on a 16th scale. I'm basically going to break down all the lines on an inch on a ruler or measuring tape. A lot of people don't know, and it's okay. Well, here's an opportunity to know how to read a ruler or measuring tape. On this metal ruler, that's an inch from 0 to 1. That's 1 inch. On the measuring tape, from 2 to 3, that's an inch. So that's just basically what it looks like, what an inch is. So I'm going to break it down into you understanding what each line means. Here's a blown up scale of the inch. The 16th, which is the shortest, has 8 lines. The 8th, which is a little taller, has 4 lines. The 4th, which is a little taller than the 8th, has 2 lines. The half inch, which is taller than the 4th, is 1 line, and the 1 inch has 1 line. 1 inch has 16 spaces on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here's how you read a 16th on a ruler. Starting with the shortest line, first line. You have 1/16, which is the first line. You go up 2. Then you have 3/16. You go up 2. You have 5/16. You go up 2. You have 7/16. Go up 2. 9/16. Go up 2. 11/16. Go up 2. 13/16. Go up 2. You got 15/16. Now the next size up will be eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4 eighths. You have 1/8. To go up 2, 3/8. Go up 2, 5/8. Go up 2, and you have 7/8. Next size up is fourths. You only have 2 lines for that. 1, 2. 1/4 over 2, 3/4. Next size up is the half inch, which is almost the tallest line on the ruler or measuring tape. Next up is the 1 inch. This is the longest line on the ruler, on the inch ruler. 1 inch is the tallest line. That completes the inch. So now this is a little lesson on how to read a measuring tape or a ruler. Not that hard. Okay. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.